So today we are going to continue with the topic definite article. So how many types of articles we have?
Three.
Two or three?
Three.
Two. What are they? Definite. Indefinite. So already we have seen about indefinite. So indefinite article we have only a and when. Where you will use and exactly vowel from or vowel letter from or a or the next sound. Okay, a fine. So here we have the definite article the. So how you people read all those things. Here in few places I used the definite article the. In few places I didn't mention the article. Okay. If suppose the sentence doesn't carry an article in the sentence, then you can mention zero article or no article. That is also acceptable. Okay. So if we in that particular sentence we can't able to use a and the in the sense, better you can mark it with no article concept. Okay. So what is the exception here? So why the article comes in front of the word the United States, the event, and why not in India? India, Pakistan, so and so. Did I forget to write?
No. No.
No. I didn't forget to write. So what is the reason?
No, it is the general form.
And for other things and all?
Now.
If there is yeah. The general form and another thing is better you can stand in your place and say general form here.
General form and the property.
State is the combination of other two of states. So when you are addressing a thing in separate, in general, one in the sense there is no need to place an article. When you are having it as a group of things together, as a whole you are representing in the thing. By the time you can place the article. The United Kingdom in the state, it is not one particular. It is consists of n number of states within this. Okay. So similarly, when the noun ends up with the plural structure, event, West Indies, Netherlands, these are all the nouns of exceptional form which carries the article the with this. Okay. And next, fifth cross street. Before the names of streets and all, avoid using the article. So here it is zero article. So no article you can say. In sentence they might give you some kind of a dashes in front of the word street names and all. So you better write no article concept. And here it is, you can have two lakes actually. One is Lake Erie and the one is the Great Lake. In one place I have used the article, in another place I didn't use. Why? Say that both are different form of a lake, but both are lake comes under lake L. The name is different. I'm talking about two different lakes, but the question is why I have used the article with one particular lake, why not in another one? Not specified one, okay? Then great, okay. So when you have the adjective in a sentence, and similarly as like the previous one, similar to the countries and the, it is a group of places and all. By the time you can use the definite article, okay? So these are all the places you must use only the definite article concept. This one is individually, okay? So this is the group of places, and again it is Mount Everest, Mount Everest is the Himalayas. And what will come in the part of Alps? The Himalayas. And what will come here? But is the or anything else?
No article.
Here it is no article. So it was conveyed by Syam actually. Any other answer? And. Okay. Yeah, also we can say. Thing is, we have seen only the usage of definite article the. So there is no need to add a verb and a. So the thing is that these are all the things that mountain. These are all the things that mountain ranges. We used to say it is a Mali Todagal Sololia. For It is the and mountain ranges. We are talking about the Himalayas. This is not only the Himalayas. This goes on like this. The continuation is there. So here it is the Himalayas and the Alps. Okay. So here I have written the continent names. So before the names of continents also, there is no need to use the. Will you use article? There is no need to use article. So here it is no article. And here it is the name of the island. And here is also the island name I have written. So why again I mark the article with one particular. Another one is left. So Bali is also an island, right? Why it is only with the Maldives group of islands. So what article will come in front of this Andaman and Nicobar? Will you use article? You use. See, now only you told me that group of articles, the group of islands will take articles, and why it is not with Andaman and Nicobar? It takes article, okay? It is again, it is the group of islands. So here you can use the Bali is an individual island, okay? So in individual things there is no need to use an article, whereas when you are meant for a group, there you can place an article, except you can go with definite article element, okay? So again it is before the names of languages, will you use article? No. No article. So if you use article in this thing, what does this mean? People. When you are using the with the names of languages, it denotes what? Can anyone know the answer? People. Be there, you can stand in a place and speak before the names of languages. In the sitting posture alone, you are comfortable. Before the names, so these are all the places where we can able to use the definite article. So as you all know that rivers, oceans, seas and holy book, newspaper, desert, gulf, forest, peninsulas and all, there we can able to use the definite article. Okay. So maximum where we are working, where we are doing the purpose, we will not use the article. But suppose you want to make it as a specified content in that particular place. I went to the hospital in this thing. Then you want to make some specific category. So by that place, you can place an article. Into mark போட்டுக்கூட நீங்க க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். So before the word dinner, meals, before the names of meals, will you use article? No article. Then will you place article? For the names of meals, no article. When you are exaggerating with the adjective, there you can place an article. Genetic practical. You want to done. Will you grasp this? Yeah. Right. To give them a gap. So now uncountable noun and the post name and all will avoid using the article. Okay, now.